Welcome to Animate Effects. This is the new neons that I'm playing with. They come in little packets. I've just made some signs up here so you can see what they look like. If you look inside, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. I think there's 16 little tiny micro LEDs in each of these tubes, and put a sign over it there. I've just printed these off on a bit of paper. There's the blue one, the bar, and there's the diner. So I put a white and a yellow in that one there just as a demonstration. So I've also used a buck step down transformer. So I've got 12 volts coming in and 12 volts coming in and 2.6 volts. So I've controlled it there. This little screw here is your adjuster. So I've only got 2.6 volts coming out of it there. But if I want to go higher, I'll just demonstrate this. So if I want to go higher, you can see the brilliance that starts to come out of it there. Big difference. So that's going to be close to the 3 volts. I'll put a multimeter on the output and I'll find that. But I found that that's quite good the way it is there. 2.6, 2.8, somewhere around there. It seems to be okay. And I've got other signs that I'm making up. So there's another sign that I'm making up. That's going to be a billboard. I'm going to animate it having peanuts coming out of his hat. But yeah, you can see from these lights, they're quite bright, all different colours, and for model purposes, perfect. That's 38 millimeters long of the glass tube, and oh yeah, see this one? I've bent this when I put it in, so I've only got part of it working. And I just turn that down, and you can see what's going on. So I've got that right down there now, but I've only got part of that working. So again, and of course in line, if I put a flickering LED, I can have the sign actually flicker. So that's a cheap way out of it, using a flicker LED in series, and that will make the neon signs flicker. So this is the first part of an experiment I thought I'd share. So as I do some more, I'll share that as well. These are all from China, and I bought packs of 10, and I can experiment with all of that. The little buck transformer, I think that was about $3 from China, and that's just perfect, being able to control the voltage. Get some other ones, but just for value, this wasn't expensive at all. I think the whole lot of those cost me $17 Australian. Postages were included. Okay, all fun.